In this video, we're gonna talk about 10 best places to visit in Detroit for honeymoon. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Detroit, which is situated in southeast Michigan, is a well-known metropolis. Antoine de la Motte Cadillac, a French trader, founded the city in the year 1701. The city's association with the automobile industry began in the 20th century. The downtown area near the Detroit River is where the majority of the structures in this area are concentrated. Due to the extensive use of Great Lakes transportation in this area, the Detroit River plays a crucial role. Due to the presence of numerous groups coexisting peacefully, it's a place where various cultures flourish. Detroit offers a wide range of activities, but it also has a large number of historically significant buildings dispersed across the city, underscoring its importance in the American history. Understanding a city's geography and history is important when traveling there, and you may do this by exploring and engaging in a variety of activities. Here are the 10 best places to visit in the Detroit for honeymoon. So let's start. Number 10. Detroit Institute of Arts, Knowing the City. This place is in Midtown Detroit, Michigan. It was established in 1885. The building's total square footage is 658,000. It's among the largest museums in the US, with roughly 100 galleries and 6,500 pieces of art. The Institute's collection includes items from both antiquity and modern times. A reference hall with 1,150 seats is also present. In the summer, when people can unwind and enjoy the bands, Fridays are thought to be the finest days for tourists. There's a store where you can purchase artistic goods at the Institute. The building underwent renovation and a 58,000 square foot addition in 2007. 2 hours to saunter around. Number 9. Greektown, visiting the entertainment center. Detroit is home to a thriving historical, commercial, and entertainment district. Detroit People Mover is close to the Greek Parade location. German immigrants are said to have arrived here around 1800s. But German immigrants didn't start or leave until the 20th century. The Greeks were fast to establish business institutions, particularly here. Right now, these businesses are hotels and eateries. All of it was being commercialized by 1960s. Authentic Greek cuisine is served in Greektown. Also located there is the renowned Greektown Casino. Greek architecture is predominant in the local structures and organizations. Number 8. Belle Isle Park, exploring the city. This park spans a 982-acre piece of land, primarily between mainland Canada and the United States of America. Within this region, there's a beach, a zoo, an aquarium, and a marine museum. Within this area, there's a golf course as well. The region is therefore rather large. The summer months, when you can enjoy a fantastic view of both Windsor, Canada, and Detroit, are when this location is at its most beautiful. In this location, you can also go biking or on a walk. In this area, boating is also permitted. This park's museum occupies a space of around 16,000 square feet. Don't forget to visit the aquarium, which has a nice assortment of aquatic animals. The youngsters will enjoy seeing such aquatic creatures. Therefore, if you are traveling to Detroit with your children, you must put this location on your schedule. Number 7. Detroit International Riverfront, getting around. It's regarded as one of the city's signature attractions. From the Ambassador Bridge in the west to the Belle Island in the east, the riverfront covers a sizable area. An excellent tourist destination is this riverfront. The Shen Park and Belle Island are nearby. Shen Park is a wonderful location that can accommodate 6,000 people at once. You can attend regular concerts, which are often held in the evening. Additionally, located in this region are numerous restaurants. They are renowned for offering a large selection of seafood to visitors. You're welcome to spend the entire day here if you like. There are places set aside for fishing where anyone can go. Number 6. Detroit Historical Society. Taking a historical tour. This institution, which was founded in 1921, primarily focuses on thorough study and research on the history of Detroit. The primary goals of this facility, which occupies a space of 78,000 square feet, are to assist people by giving them a brief tour and to inform visitors about the history of the area through exhibitions and other activities. The Dawson Great Lake Museum and the Detroit Historical Museum, which has a collection of more than 200,000 items, are maintained and managed by this very society. There can't be any finer locations to comprehend the city's history. The museum displays old Detroit and Detroit streets as they appeared in 1840s, 1860s, and 1990s. Number 5. Mexican Town, strolling through the streets. It's a town that consists of vibrant communities. It was during the 1940s when the Mexican communities started flourishing in this place. Many migrants started settling in this community during the 1970s and 1980s. This town consists of various types of paintings and handworks. All of them are made with vibrant colors. It makes the whole place much more attractive and beautiful. There's a huge number of restaurants, bars, and eateries in this place. Thus, tourists have many options. Tamales, Guatemalan, and various types of Colombian dishes are served in this place. You can also visit some shops that sell various types of Mexican stuff, which you can buy at a very reasonable price. Number 4. Eastern Market, shopping your hearts out. In 1841, this marketplace was established under the name Farmers Market. After a while, the market's name was changed back to the Eastern Market. Farmers rent out stalls from which they sell a variety of fresh produce, including fruits and vegetables. The only place to buy different kinds of bread, soap ingredients, fruits, veggies, homemade jams, etc. is this market. Any day is a good day to visit this location, but Saturdays are the finest. It's the day when you can purchase any fresh food you want. The market is open every day of the year. However, the season from May to October is when the largest crowds are typically seen. You can purchase products created in Michigan, particularly on Tuesdays and Sundays. Try to arrive early, because those are the days when the majority of the people visit this location. Number 3. Cobo Center, exploring the hub of all activity. Along Jefferson and Washington Avenues, there is a convention facility. It was formerly referred to as Cobo Hall or Cobo Arena. An area of 623,000 square feet is devoted to an exhibition space. Visitors who come here primarily for meetings and other activities can also take advantage of the free Wi-Fi at this location. This location hosts the majority of the business meetings because it's so convenient. You can occasionally see the auto, cheer, and discover the dinosaur presentations here. You can visit this location to see these performances because they would be more fascinating and would enhance our trip to the Detroit. Number 2. The Henry Ford Museum, taking a cultural tour. It's one of the finest museums in the world that's devoted to the history and culture of the United States. You will find a variety of artistic works, the primary purpose of which is to provide information regarding the art and culture of the ancient time. Students who are conducting significant research on aspects of the American history may find that they are most productive here. The museum has a very pleasant vibe throughout its entirety. Visitors are welcome to make use of the large amount of land located just in front of the museum as a place to sit. The majority of individuals often pay a visit to this location on the weekends within their own groups of friends and family members. The area surrounding the museum has a great deal of retail establishment where visitors can go shopping. Number 1. Motown Museum. The humble appearance of this home in Detroit betrays the greatness that was conceived in this city. The Motown sound hits well. USA is the original house where Berry Gordy lived and recorded the Motown hits. With just one step inside this house, you will be able to feel the rhythm and spirit of this flourishing musical era. Memorabilia such as photographs, costumes, artwork, and music can transport you to times when life was less complicated. The Motown Museum more than lives up to the majority of the praise it has received elsewhere. Make it a point to stop by this establishment the next time you have the opportunity. However, make sure that you make a reservation in a timely manner, particularly if you only have a little amount of time to spend there. We were really fortunate to secure a time window for the next day, although the vast majority of the customers make their reservations months in advance. Our tour guide, Carolyn, brought a lot of information, enthusiasm, and just plain energy to the experience, which made an already great trip much better. If you decide to travel, you should hopefully have the good fortune to have her serve as your guide. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.